What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we continue working on the tracker. Let me show you what we've done off camera so far. Right now we basically have the two lights that were on the bumper support crash bar, whatever you want to call it. We have those two lights on. I wired those off camera. You don't need to see me wiring these because you've seen me in countless other videos of wiring stuff up. The only thing that you need to know is if you ever have a tracker and you're deciding to wire up lights to the headlight, just realize that white is positive and red is negative. There are 3 wires on those headlight switch, and for some reason, not the switch where the bulb goes in the headlight, for some reason those 3 wires, one is red solid, one is white and blue, and the other one is red and white. The red and white leave alone. The red solid is the negative wire, and the white and blue is actual positive. So for whoever else wants to wire up something, hopefully that helps them. We got both wired up. They work perfectly. Now people might be wondering, why did I wire these up to the headlights? Reason being is the original headlights are kind of dull, even if they polish. I don't like the yellow styled headlights, so I figured I would like these to automatically turn on as soon as the headlights turn on and act as some sort of fog light, spotlight kind of thing. So I'm going to aim those a little bit more to the floor. That way they light up the ground for me to see where I'm going and what I'm doing. That's a big plane that just passed. So yeah, that's why that is there. The other lights that'll be on the vehicle will be activated by a switch. So those we don't have to worry about. I have to get the switch. The light bar will be put on top of the roof. Supposedly that's where I'm planning on having it go. We don't know yet, but that's where it should be going. I might head over to Home Depot to buy some metal to get the bumper a little bit more situated how I want it to be. Also, we've been looking for some tires. I've been reaching out to some people who have tires. They're gonna help me get some tires for the original rim. We're gonna paint the original rim, but the tires that we're gonna end up getting is gonna be an off-roading version of it. Other than that, we're also going to get the lift kit. It's going to be a 2-inch lift on it. I've been looking on eBay, found something that I actually like, not that bad in pricing. So we're going to pick up that. We're going to lift up this vehicle a little bit and get the tires for it as well. And so far, things are coming along. Also, with the steering wheel, as you guys know, the indicator was broken. So the multifunction switch was just stuck on the left indicator, would never come off. So as you can see, I actually scrapped this off. This was done off camera as well. I have to buy a steering remover tool because I just need a steering wheel remover tool. Probably go Harbor Freight or I'll get one online. Once I remove this, I can replace the multifunction switch. Now that's all built up in one with the clock spring, so I have to get a clock spring with that as well. I'm looking for a used one, which I've reached out to someone on eBay for that one as well. So let's see what we get. Everything should be, it should be good. We should be in budget with what we're getting. And yeah, so that is where we're at right now. I think we're going to head over to Home Depot to see what metal they have there for us to work on the cage that we're supposed to build up here, the little bar set up on top, as well as the rest of the bumper. So let's head over to Home Depot and see what they have, hopefully. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be installing a bunch of these lights on the tracker. Why am I installing so many lights on this tracker? Because when you're going off-roading, I like to see my entire surroundings. I want to see as far as I can, all around my sides as I can. So that way I have a clear vision in the night and a good depth of view. So I don't see the problem in putting in a lot of lights. Hopefully this battery can hold it. If not, we might have to upgrade the battery a little bit. But let's get it. Guess what? We ended up going to Harbor Freight and we picked up a steering wheel remover tool. I ended up buying this master kit one, so it should have everything needed to remove the steering wheel in this. That way we can get the clock spring and the multi-function switch, and we can work on either trying to fix it or replace it. So let us get to removing this wheel now. Alrighty guys, so we went to Harbor Freight and picked up our steering wheel puller remover tool. Here it is. It's pretty much a master set. It got almost everything that I need, I think. So all we got to do to set this up is really use this piece right here. Boom, put it on there. line up our 2 bolts. So we have to actually find what bolts fit, and I think we're gonna see if this actually works. No, it doesn't, too big. Maybe this one here. They thread in perfect, so cool. So I got 2 of those. Put this on here, thread it right across, boom. Line it up with my spline, thread it in right there. That's 1. And the second one we'll grab right over here. That's another one. Boom. And then we'll use this center puller, which is right over here. We're gonna put this down the center. This is what's really gonna grab our steering wheel and remove it and pull it for us. Now you obviously adjust these 2 as much length as you need, but this already has enough length for us. So maybe I may want to put these down a little bit more so it gets more threads. Let's get this out of the way. Alrighty guys, so I got some metal already. It's in the back of the Avalanche. Got to take it out, clean it up, and do what I got to do to build our bumper, to build our guard on top so we can put the light bar. But for right now, I think I'm going to do one more wire light up, which I already have everything here with the Alpina light kit all hooked up. I just have to hook these up to the positive and negative parts of the battery, run the switch into the vehicle. It's already relayed and fused. Once I do that, we'll just find a place to mount these 2 lights, which I'm thinking about putting them on the side here to give me like an all-around view of where I'm going. So let me run this light up, and I think we'll end the episode right here. Let's get it.